welcome back to my channel. If by chance you click on this video and you have not read the title, I'm gonna be getting my 2 upper lobe persons and 1 Tragus. Is it Tragus or Tragus? Pretty sure it's Tragus. I couldn't decide like which side I should do it on. I always sleep on this side, so I was gonna do it on this side for the healing process, but I'm like, why would I do something based on how it's gonna heal? I should do it based on how I want to look. Also, I'm not even sure if this part of my hair is big enough. I want like a really cute little, like a small flower or maybe just a stud. If I don't have enough space, I'll just do lobes. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. I'm good. But I used to swear up and down, left and right that I would not get another ear piercing because they take so long to heal, and I was always scared of getting keloids and stuff. But then something in me was just like, do it, you won't, so I will. Okay, I'm ready. Am I ready? Concrete boys. Okay, bye. You sure you don't want to pass into this? I do. Whatever. You got to run? Maybe not. Come to me after you ever pass. Doing the eyeliner on a moving train. I can't even do it. That's very cool. After like a 2-hour train ride, I actually can't remember, we made it to Amsterdam, and I need y'all to see the amount of bikes here. Like, fun fact, there's actually more bikes than people. But I really love Amsterdam overall. Just the vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Am I scared? No, I don't want to be scared. I think it kind of just kicking in now finally. But anyways, we walk into the shop. The cartilage one, I'm kind of scared for the pain. The lobe, not so much, because I mean, it's just the lobe, but this is fine. I'll be fine. This is fine. I'll be fine. I'm actually scared. It'll be fine. I think she'll be fine. Okay, so the first thing the person asked me where I wanted everything, so I explained triggers and then 2 second persons, and then he marked them and make sure the placement, everything was what I wanted. That one was quicker. Pick the hardest one. How do you feel? How do you feel? I'm obsessed with the Tragus.
Oh, it looks so good. Yeah. Oh, thanks. It really it looks so good. What are you gonna say to the baby?
Do it. Don't ask your mom, just do it. It's been done. She's asking if the camera, no. But I think the iPhone is, I didn't want to make a big spectacle. Yeah. And the camera battery gonna die right now. Yeah. I was looking for the Instagram feed. Okay, welcome to what is essentially my first time cleaning my pencils with saline solution. I just mixed it. It came with one, but I have to buy more salt and like a little mason jar, sea salt, mason jar, and cotton pads that I can keep because I have to do it twice a day. For the Tragus, which I'm obsessed with, it's my favorite one. I think I have to do like a proper sit down and give my final thoughts at a later time when I'm like fully processed it. But for the Tragus, this is gonna take like 6 weeks, twice a day, 6 weeks. This one, I only have to do it for 1 week. So by the time I fly back home, which is next week, I could just wash it in the shower, the lobes. And I said to fully cover the person for 15 minutes. It doesn't even hurt anymore, like it doesn't hurt. I'm like, oh. Yeah, so he had titanium only jewelry basically because I guess he knows better. Not guess, I mean he knows better, so he does it every day. So it was not like I had to say, oh, can I get titanium because I have sensitive. But if you're in that situation where there's like a different rate of metal, then ask for titanium.
Good party.
I don't know, you know, like when you put peroxide on a bruise or something, I felt like when I put the salt water, for some reason it would, I don't know, it would sting, but like there's nothing, no pain at all. This one still feels like awkward, like it's just like a slight discomfort, but there's like no pain after the first 30 minutes. There's pain when you get the pencil, and then there's like a numbness that remains for like a short while. And everybody's like, oh my gosh, do a needle because it just like shatters your gum, da 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 da. But I guess that's for cartilage persons, because for Lobe, the shop recommended a gun. It was just like this thing, a white thing that the thing came in, and it just, and the sensation, the sound, everything feels like how, if you ever imagine a staple going through your finger when you're using a staple machine, that's exactly how it felt. But I'm just glad that I didn't do the top because this part of my ears touches my hair all the time. Welcome back. Well, not welcome back. This is like a split second for y'all. But for me, I've been out today. Today is day 2 with the person and I am obsessed. I'm so obsessed with it. I'm thinking that I should have gotten like something on this side, but that's what ear cuffs are for. I'm gonna wear my ear cuff on this side to like even it out some more because I have like 3 now, and then 2 is like, you know how, oh, a day. Oh my gosh, like just cute and simple. I don't wanna, I am tempted to curate my entire ears, but I'm like, no girl, take it one step at a time. Savor this moment of simply having a Tragus and a second haul. As for the earrings, last night how I slept, I think I would say I slept like pretty well. At a point, like I slept with these, well, not both of them, I just used one and I slept like this. So my air was in this, so it doesn't get hooked in the pillow or anything, and because of that, like I had 0 pain. But overall, not as bad as I expected. I was expecting it to be like a wound that I would have to nurse and heal and which I am technically nursing it and healing it, but I expected it to hurt while doing so. Like when I got my wisdom tooth pulled, I had to like be so cautious, like don't hit me here. I mean, it's the same, don't touch my ears, it's the same. So that's a bad example. I updated them on my piercings. I would say it's like 30 minutes of pain, like initial, like, oh, I just got a piercing, but after that it feels like nothing unless you mess with it. So if I touch it, obviously it would hurt, but like other than that, it feels like completely normal, like nothing. The main bulk of the video is over, but for the rest of the video I'll give you like a 1 week update with my Tragus and because I have some time before this actual video comes out. Okay, bye. It's not time for the 1 week update, but I decided to film this as a part so I can show you guys how I make my own saline solution. I got this Dead Sea salt, 100% natural, and then I got this little cute little mason jar. It's so adorable, and it's wider and fat because I got these cotton pads, cotton rounds, so they like fit hopefully perfectly. I haven't really tried it yet. I'm back home. As you can see, I only have my AirPod in one ear because it's only been 2 weeks, and she said no AirPods for the first 6 weeks, so I'm gonna give it some time. But this morning I made a small discovery that I could move this forward now because it has like some length, and it doesn't, like I don't feel anything. I don't know if I should do it right now because my hands aren't clean, so I don't want to be touching that. But like I can move the person now, no pain, and it's only been 2 weeks. I won't say that it's fully healed. Of course, I have to give it some months, but it's definitely like a milestone step, I guess. So yeah, I have not skipped. I haven't stopped soaking it with saline solution 2 times. Literally, I have it in my bag right now. I went to the office and I walked with my little jar. That's my update. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you probably not this Saturday because I uploaded today. Today's Wednesday, so probably not the usual Saturday at 5 p.m. but the usual is Saturdays at 5 p.m. I'll probably upload on Sunday, but this week again 2 videos because I missed 3 weeks. Okay, bye.
Somewhere on a desktop leaves the zip file mixtape of the next pod kid.